Hi people, I have very important video tutorial for you how to add a change option. If you don't see in a JPG file property this option, I will show you in a minute how to do that, because I found a solution. Because in the past I thought it was my fault and I thought I broke Windows. But if you want to change file extension, if you want this, because you can open with, but this will take more time. If you want this window change to be visible here, you can go to Windows Control Panel, Default Programs, Associate a file type or protocol with program, and from Focus you can choose the desired program. I was thinking about Irfan View, the newest version, because Picasa web browser is no longer supported. And we have got now option change, but you can choose different program, because this window did not exist. So you can open up in Irfan View application. I don't necessarily like Irfan View, but they made significant huge changes, because this is open source web browser photo web no open source photo browser photo editing program. I just have to double check. As far I know, this is open source image browser. You can read about this. One of the programs. You can also do the same with music file type. For example, because I had exactly the same problem. Actually, this has this ability, but if you switch to default format, I just wanted to show you, so you will know for the next time. For example, if you change, I will have to check something. You can change file extension. Now we have got this. But I had a problem with JPG files. This window was missing, but I have to check something else. This is Microsoft default music format, M4A format. People, I just was thinking about something else. Portable format document. If this option is missing, it can be missing, but I just wanted to show you what you're supposed to do next time. Oh, video player. You can choose video player. But mainly this tutorial was how to add the option change for JPG files, because JPG file did not have option change, so you have to go to this window to be able to check this. Okay, I just have to check PDF. Oh, you can do the same? No, this is actually nothing to do with this. I wish I could see second defaults my application. You can also choose a different option. Choose default application by file type. I will see, oh, I can see what Windows would tell me. Where is portable format document? I think this goes auto by alphabet. PDF. I try to find PDF. Oh, we have got PDF, but if I change to Windows default format, because actually I forgotten, this is not Windows 8.1, so we can check Microsoft Edge. Now you can only open by Microsoft Edge, but you can still see this window. Sometimes this window is not visible. We have Microsoft Edge. You can choose Adobe Acrobat. And or Sumatra. I like the most Sumatra PDF, but Microsoft Edge. Where did I go? Sumatra PDF is the best. But the only issue is you have to zoom in if you want this by default to be visible like that. You go to settings, options, default zoom, maybe 100, 150. Continuous. You can use continuous. And now you should open like that. So you don't have to zoom in. Sometimes this program struggles to render PDF files when file is too large. For example, it has too many advanced layers inside. Okay, I hope you like my video tutorial. I want to check what else I could check here. Do we have 7-zip file? Zip. Check for extension zip, because you can check. Okay, we have zip. Because in Windows 8.1, it looks very different. In Windows 8.1, depending what extension, we have LibreOffice, open document text, check for Word. Okay, I hope you like my video tutorial. If you don't see, let's check this file. And I have to check if Irfan View is capable. Oh, it doesn't open in this format. You can only open inside the GIMP. I should choose the GIMP by default. I don't think, because image browser can do that. Fast Scan Image Viewer also doesn't open up. Okay. This format, we need to tell Windows to choose GIMP instead, because this format, I think I can check if ACDC is capable of opening up this format, because I think this is iPhone format. I took picture of the image of the monitor screen. Oh, okay, we can choose this format for ACDC. Now you don't have to do anything else. So you can open this format by ACDC application. Oh, this is also picture taken by iPhone because I needed image reference for those characters. Someone bought a shopping bag with those characters. Okay, that's it. I hope you like my video tutorial. Check what type of files, but the most important topic was how to add a change option to JPG file.